Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the CDI Digital Torque Checker, model 2503-F-DTC. This is identical to the Snap-on version except for the color of the housing. I picked this up at Pro Torque Tools in Atlanta. They were great. I had a lot of questions about this purchase. They answered all of them, and anything they couldn't answer, they referred me to CDI or Snap-on. I got it at a great price. I'm very pleased. That being said, I am not sponsored. I buy my own tools with my own money. So let's take a look at this. Here's our certificate of calibration. Calibrated on January 6, 2022. It looks pretty damn good, or as my grandfather would say, it's the cat's ass. Today's players. We have Pittsburgh Pro 3/8, Precision Instruments 3/8, Craftsman 3/8, the Craftsman 1/2 inch, the Pittsburgh Pro 1/2 inch, the Ulster Tools 1/2 inch, and the Powerbuilt 1/2 inch. So let's take a look at these. I'll show you how this thing works. And I've got some comments about each one. All right. Let's fire it up. All right, we're going to start with the 3/8 at 40 pounds. This is the Craftsman. They've all been exercised, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. 39.9. 39.7. I gotta move along here. Next up, the Precision Instruments split beam. I like this torque wrench. Sorry. There we go. 39.4. 39.1. All right. Now, I also had a Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 that exploded. Now, the Pittsburgh Pro, the Craftsman, and the Precision Instruments, on the low range, 25 to 50, 20 to 50 or 60, they all were on the money. They were all very close, nothing to complain about. However, on the Pittsburgh Pro, when I set it to 70 pounds, it went 70.7 on the first hit. The next two, 13.96, and then something exploded inside the torque wrench. So that's out. Next up, the Craftsman 1/2 inch, set for 130, which is the lug nuts on the truck. So here we go. $134.2. $135.4. $134.4. All right, on to the Ulster Tools. $129.3. $128.8. $128.1. And finally, the Powerbuilt. This is a deflecting beam torque wrench. The pin is in. $132.2. 131.3. And 130.8. All right. Now on the 3/8, like I said, the Craftsman and the Precision Instruments are fine at the low to middle range. At the upper end, they're off a little bit. So you're probably better off taking a 1/2 inch and going down low with that. The surprise came with the 1/2 inch. I did not test the Pittsburgh Pro this time, but when I did my testing the other day, the Pittsburgh Pro averaged, on 130 pounds, averaged 137.8. And all I did was 3 pulls, add them up, divide by 3. The Craftsman came in at 134.46. I thought they were both high, especially the Pittsburgh. The ULSA, the split beam, came in at 129.1. And incredibly, the Powerbuilt averaged 130.7. So I don't know if the Powerbuilt's the greatest thing that no one knows about or very few people do. But I was impressed. If you're going to be doing tires a lot and everything, go with the split beam. It's quicker. You don't have to reset the pin. But the Powerbuilt seems pretty accurate. So that's about it. Let me know if you think I did anything wrong, if I wasn't standing the right way or whatever. If you want to find out more about some torque wrenches and stuff like that, go to Tools Explained on YouTube. This guy's pretty good. He did some real extensive testing. Project Farm did a thing recently on torque wrenches. And for stuff in general, like ratchets and wrenches and stuff, check out Catus Maximus. Well, that's all I got for now. Let me know. Take care.